You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all this name. It's a given name, it's also a surname of Irish origin, so from Ireland originally, from Gaelic. Let's learn how to pronounce it correctly. It means without envy. Dermot is the pronunciation. Dermot. Okay, so it's not Dermot. That would be more French Dermot, but it's definitely not French Dermot. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.